In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize an image block in your page section design layout. To begin, open your page section design area in Chrome and go into the editor workspace. Once you're inside the dashboard and can see the canvas or workspace panel, click Edit to start making changes. This puts you into the active design mode, where you can adjust the layout and place content exactly where you want it. Next, click Add Block and choose the image option from the available layout components. This will insert a new image block into your section. If you're browsing through a list of elements or layout choices, just look for the image component and select it. After that, a new empty image area will appear on the canvas ready for your content. Now click the upload area in the center of that newly added empty block. This will open your local file browser so you can select the image you want to use from your computer. Once you choose the file, it will upload directly into the block. Make sure you're using the correct image version before moving on, especially if you're working with multiple assets or different sizes. After your image appears, you can resize the block to better fit your design. Move your cursor over the block edges until the resize handles become available. Then click and drag to stretch the block horizontally or vertically across your layout grid. This is useful when you want the image to take up more visual space, align with other elements, or create a more custom composition within the section. You're not locked into a rigid template, so take advantage of the flexibility to shape the layout the way you need. Once the size is set, click the pencil icon in the floating menu for that block to open the design settings. This is where you can control how the image is displayed. For example, you can switch the image behavior to fill if you want it to extend edge to edge within the block for a fuller, more immersive look. Or you can choose fit if you want to preserve the entire image proportion without cropping. In the same settings area, you can also adjust corner rounding, add a caption if needed, or connect the image to a link destination so it becomes clickable. When everything looks the way you want, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've successfully added, resized, and customized an image block in your page section layout.